Okay, let's have another example. Okay, so as usual, we start by this guy here. So it has only one group, this group here. It doesn't belong to any other group. Okay, then this one here, it belongs to the gray, and this one. Okay, the second row, this one belongs to the gray group and these four together. So we have now gray prime implicant, green prime implicant, and blue prime implicant. And it's clear now that the gray prime implicant is essential. Okay, this one, the second one in that row, belongs to the blue and the gray and doesn't belong to anything else. Then the third one belongs to the blue, and we can also form another group here. That's very nice. So looks like now the blue is not essential, the blue prime implicant. Okay, the fourth one belongs to the blue and the red, and that's it. Okay, let's now go to the third row. This guy here belongs to the blue and also belong to that group. Okay, now go pick another color. The four, and doesn't belong to anything else. So the fourth one here belongs to the red, and yeah, just the red, no other, no other group. Okay, now the last row. This one here belongs to the green, and can be grouped also with that one here. Okay, then the last one here, which is M11, this one belongs to the black and the cyan and no other group. Okay, we just finished all of them. Now which is prime, which is essential prime implicant, and which is just a normal prime implicant. Okay, so let's start by the gray one. The gray is essential because this one here doesn't belong to any other group. So this would be W bar. X is changing, Z is changing, Y bar. Now the green. The green is not essential because it has two ones. One of them with the cyan, one of them with the gray. Oh, I'm sorry. So the gray is essential. I'm sorry. The gray is essential. So let's write them. I just wrote it with the other one. Very sorry. Good. Okay, the green is not essential because it has two ones. One of them with the cyan, one of them with the gray. So the green is W is changing, X bar is not changing, Y bar is not changing, and Z is not changing. Good. The blue is basically not essential because all the ones are contained with other groups or other implicant or prime implicants. So the blue is W bar X. Very good. Now the red is essential because this one is not contained with any other group. The red is X, XY basically. Okay. Now the black is not essential because it has two ones, one with the red, one with the cyan. So the black is W, YZ. And finally, the cyan one is not essential as well, and it's equal to W bar. I'm sorry, W X bar Z. Okay. Now the minimized F. F minimum equal to, again, locate all the essential. So we have the red is essential. And the gray is also essential. And now look, we covered all the ones except two of them. So the best option is to take the cyan. Is to take that implicant here. That's the best option. Otherwise, you will be not, or you will have non-optimized solution. So our function is basically W bar Y bar plus XY plus WX bar Z. Okay, that's basically the solution of this example.